Today we talk about how can you select languages on your VCAP. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. All you have to do, just go above your photo, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to your profile here. So then all you have to do now, you just go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this, and you click here on edit profile. So then you come to this list, and all you have to do, you just go down here. So then you just click on profile here. When you click on profile, it's going to take you to the next step. Just switching to open video, and you come to languages, clicking this sign. So then here can you select languages you want to add on your VCAP. When you're down, just click in this sign, then it's going to add video. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.